This old mate's handbrake is doing. The car's pretty low, so we've got it on stands there, and I've strapped it down. I've also got the jack underneath to lift the car up a little bit at the back, because I have zero faith going underneath cars that's on stands and jacks and stuff from that incident years ago. And I'm just going to show you the handbrake, how far it comes up. So that's a fair way there. That's all the way actually. I can feel it. I get stopped. It should come up probably like that. Just a couple of clicks. So we're going to go 1, 2, so 4 clicks up. I'll get under the car, tighten that up. I'll try and show you on camera if I can. We'll just see how we go. Right, so coming in from the driver's side, this is where the exhaust is passing and so forth. That's where you can see the handbrake adjustment there. And hopefully, I hope he's going to see it. I'll turn this camera around. Just get some crap out of my eyes. I wonder if I can jam this in here. So that goes that way, yep. I don't know if you can actually see what I'm doing here, but I'm really hoping that the camera's pointing at the job. So I got 10mm on there, and then the other side of it, I get the shifter on there. I've got to hold that from turning. It's like it's not so squeezy under here, you know. Wonder how many times she's heard that, Ryan.
Have you got 101 of those?
Yeah.
Don't know.
She's probably thinking, fucking another one.
You know what? I actually probably reckon that she hasn't heard it before, because nobody talks to strangers anymore.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Back in the day, every house you go past, everyone say g'day. Now you say g'day to someone, and 1 in 5 will say hello back.
Yep.
Or 1 in 10 even. They don't even look at you. They fucking look past you like you've never even said nothing.
Yep. There we go.
Probably a group of like 20 people all riding motorbikes.
Yeah.
That was sick.
Alright, give that a go. We want you to do it slowly, so is it 3 clicks, 4 clicks, 5 clicks, let me know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It still goes all the way up.
Okay, so we've still got a fair way to go. Alright. That's like 2 inches adjustment down here to get it to where when you're getting to 9 clicks. So I'm going to go about half that distance under here and we'll have a look again. The thing I hate about shifters is that they're always readjusting themselves. Alright, see how that goes. We've got about 1.5 inches of just adjustment left.
gets to about 7.
Okay,
Gets to 7 clicks.
a bit more. So let it off.
What the fuck would have made it so loose? Someone actually adjusting it?
No, well, the brake pad's probably need changing.
The rear ones.
Yeah. Because you need to do all this again, loosen it all off when you change the brake pads.
You know what? The amount of times that I've changed brake pads and didn't know that.
Well, a lot of cars are drum brakes, but pads for rotors. So, like my Tarago, it's rotor brakes, but it's a drum handbrake. So you don't worry about adjusting the handbrake because it's not the same thing. But this car, handbrake is also the pads, so you need to loosen the handbrake off when changing the pads and readjust the handbrake. Okay, just see how she goes now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Okay. Do you want to go a bit more, or do you want to leave it as 6?
Go a little bit more.
Okay. No more than 3 down though. You don't want the brakes to be on while you're driving.
At least you fix something today.
I fix something every day. Not a dull moment at my place. Is the handbrake off?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking. Give that a go.
Yeah. Alright, that it still goes to 6, but it's harder. That's right.
Okay. We'll leave it as 6 then. I'll go in there and have a feel. Now 4 is good then, but if you want to go extra tight, like if she moves, you can get 5 or 6. Yep, that's good.
That's what I'm saying. It does go to 6, but it's tighter.
I really don't know how many clicks that is, but that's a good height handbrake. And if you want to go harder, beauty. Alright, well that's the handbrake part anyway. Hopefully you've got to see me adjusting it. And yeah, so you got the shifter to hold the rod from turning 10mm to adjust the nut. Alright guys, well I've got a tail shaft coupling and bearing coming up soon, so a few more videos to go with this one. Cheers guys.